Hello friends, I'm Sarah from the blog sewingwithsarah.com, and I'm back here today with a quick little video to show you something exciting that came in my mail. Now this is the Sewciety subscription box, and it's something that I was sent as an opportunity to kind of share with you and review, so I'm really excited to do that. This was the November box. Now due to the campfire, my family, we had to leave for a little while, for a couple of weeks, and so this little guy sat in my entry hall for 2 weeks waiting to get some attention. So I'm really excited to open it up and share it with you today, and maybe brainstorm together about some plans about what I might do with some of the goodies in this box. So let's get down to it and see what's inside. So this is the box. This is the way that it came. It's got this cute little, I love their logo. So I'm gonna open it up, and now I was one of those bad kids that kind of pre-unwrapped their Christmas box, so I did unwrap it once and take a look at it already, but I haven't seen it in a while. So it has this card in the front, tells you what's inside. This is a really generous box. I was really surprised by the amount of things that were included in this. They have 2.5 yards of cotton spandex, designer art gallery cotton spandex fabric, which if you haven't tried art gallery, it is really a treat. It's not your typical cotton spandex, much thicker, much better recovery. Some additional woven fabric, organic woven fabric. I love any fabric that's organic. Always makes me feel good about using it and wearing it. It includes an additional PDF pattern that you can choose and print from Sinclair. And I'm really excited to use that because I have only tried 1 or 2 of Sinclair's patterns. They come in petite and tall, which is always exciting for me, being on the petite side. It includes a full, I'm so excited about this, a full large-scale printout of the Gemma knit tunic from Sinclair. I just love that. I love that I don't even have to put this thing together. It includes fabric clips. Oh my gosh, I love these. When I first heard about these, I thought it was kind of crazy. I thought it was a weird fad. And then I tried some and I was totally sold. I use them on everything, but they're especially good for things like sewing leather or just projects where you don't want to have potential holes in your fabric. They're just a lifesaver. And I don't know how I do it, but I do tend to lose them, especially these this is the perfect size, these smaller ones. So this is just such a welcome addition. It also includes some thread, and this is a silicone thread peel, I think it says. And I'm gonna need to look at a video on how to do this because I'm not sure how to use it yet. So I'm really excited to figure that out. And then it includes this pot holder project, which strikes me as one of a perfect little Christmas gift or addition to your kitchen to use with that organic woven fabric. It includes everything you need, even the bias tape, instructions, cutting template. So I'm kind of a newbie when it comes to working with wovens and these little projects. So I'm really excited to do this one in particular because I can sew knits all day long, but I'm a little bit on the uncomfortable side with wovens. So I'm excited to use this and figure that out. And then if you dive in at the bottom, there's this huge, generous 2.5 yard cut of this art gallery cotton spandex. And like I said, this stuff is just really a treat. It's really amazing. It's got a nice weight to it. I mean, you could even, it's got great stretch and recovery. I just love that. You could even make a little pair of leggings, not a super compressive pair. You know, it could make a perfect top. I think they included the Gemma pattern that you could use that. I'm not sure what I'm going to make with it yet. I'm going to throw up some possibilities on my Instagram feed, and if you could vote and help me out, that would be great. So that is my Sewciety box, and I am super excited to dive into some of these projects and share them with you. Make sure to keep an eye out on my blog for a discount code for new subscribers for the Sewciety, and also I'll keep you updated on there with what I make on here with this awesome box that I got. So thank you so much, Sewciety, and you'll be hearing more about this soon.